This channel gained 329,000 subscribers just only posting 44 videos. And this one, 95,000 with posting 47 videos and some other, as you can see. This is called the explainer style videos, and the RPM in this niche to go around $4 to $7 per thousand views. And here's the best part, the process is completely free without spending single dollar. Now let's see what you learn in this video. I will show you how to come up with video ideas, scripts, visuals, voiceovers, thumbnails, and finally editing. So let's get started. First of all, you need a one sub niche. Like this channel makes gaming videos, this one animal videos, and some other with different niches. So take a time and find a sub niche. But don't worry, I will give you 50 sub niches, ebook with zero competition, and it's completely free. Check description. Head over to this docs file and copy the idea generation prompt. This doc file link in the description. Pasted this prompt in ChatGPT, and once you press enter, ChatGPT gives you lot of video ideas across different niches. You can choose one of these and make videos for your channel. But if you don't like these ideas, simply ask ChatGPT for specific niche and it will generate new sets of ideas for you. Now pick one idea as you like. I choose this one, every iPhone model explained. After find a video idea, it's time to turn your idea into video script. Now back to doc file and copy the script generation prompt and paste it into ChatGPT and type your video idea in prompt and press enter. Now ChatGPT will give you a detailed explainer style script. If you want a longer video, just ask to expand the script, or you can use as a TIS. Now this time to collect visuals for our script. So simply read each line of your script and search visuals for matches it. For example, if the first line mentioned the original iPhone introduced Apple's first touchscreen, just copy and paste one of these websites and downloads stock images and videos for free to use. And also you can use AI tools to create images and videos just putting the prompts. So you can use Whisk AI for images and Grok for video generation. After download all the assets according to what each line of your script required, it's time to create voiceover. For voiceover, you can use tools like 11 Labs and Google AI Studio. I can use 11 Labs because it's one of the best voice generator tool and he give you 10,000 credits for free. So open 11 Labs and select a voice. But wait, he's give you thousands of voices according to your script and tone. But I prefer to make your custom voice because costume voice gives you 100% controlled on your voice and it's make your channel branding and feel more unique. And here's the best part. It's 100% free of cost. So how to create your costume voice in 11 Labs? First, copy this voice generate prompt, but you can use your own prompt according to your niche. Now head over to 11 Labs and go to Voices section. Now click Create Voice. Now click Voice Design and paste the prompt here and click to generate voice. Now after some seconds, your costume voice is ready. He's give you 3 voices with different tone. Listen carefully and select one of these and save it. Now go to text speech and make sure select your costume voice with My Voices section. Now paste your video script and hit generate. Now after some seconds, your voiceover is ready to use. Before the final editing, you need to generate a video thumbnail. In these kind of videos, the thumbnail is also used in the intro and you don't need any software expertise. Just head over to doc file and copy the thumbnail prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Now you need to give it 2 things. First, the number of items or things you explained in your script. For example, I typed the 8. Second, the names of items and things that I explained in our script from my video about every iPhone model explained. After finishing, press enter and your thumbnail is generated. Sometimes ChatGPT generated unwanted items like this. That's normal, just tell it to remove anything unnecessary. It fixed this. After final thumbnail, just download it and fit it into a 16:9 ratio in any editing app. Now the final part is editing. I can use a light motion, but can use any video editing software because the basically process is the same. So just import your all the visuals and voiceover. Choose one white background and sets all the visuals according to voiceover, just like that, and use some images, video clips, PNG icons and text animations to edit your video. When editing is complete, just export the video. So, finishing all the processes that I shared, you will able to make videos like this.
iPhone, 2007. The original iPhone introduced Apple's first touchscreen smartphone and changed how people interacted with mobile devices. Released in 2007, it removed the physical keyboard and replaced it with a full multi-touch display. It combined a phone, an iPod, and an internet device into one product. At the time, that idea felt new and ambitious. It set the foundation for everything that followed. iPhone 3G. The iPhone 3G added faster mobile internet and, more importantly, introduced the App Store. With third-party apps now available, the phone became more than just a communication device. It turned into a platform. This shift opened the door for mobile gaming, social media apps, and countless services that would shape daily life. iPhone 3GS. The iPhone 3GS focused on speed and performance. The S stood for speed, and Apple improved processing power and camera quality. It also added video recording and voice control. While it looked similar to the 3G, it made the experience smoother and more capable.
So here's the complete process to create explainer-style videos. And yeah, this video aiming 50 likes. I hope that you will get it done.